but in fact, it's one of the strangest phenomena in the universe.
This is the National Weather Service in Brownsville. We've issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hidalgo and southern Starr counties in deep South Texas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds to 60 miles per hour over La Rosita, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Los Alvarez and Rio Grande City. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for western Hidalgo and southern Starr County in deep South Texas until 8:15 p.m.
Even from space, it's clear that Earth is a special planet. It's unique in this solar system because it has massive oceans. And it rains from the sky.
When you look down at the Earth from space, the two things that jump out at you are the white, the clouds, and the blue, the oceans.
Kind of as that.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.